This is Manas Kumar. Today I will introduce our production department. So this is our production department. This is the most important department of every organization which help to achieve the final goal. It starts from the tender purchase and end with the dispatching. So we will discuss about our types of printer. First one is Terex, Weaver, P30, V30 printer, TechB Star, and the last one but not least TechB Scratcher. Let's see how the production system works. First, CAD designing, raw material purchasing, cutting for raw material, assembling of raw material, testing, and last one is dispatching. Now we will carry forward with the explanation about CAD designing. Computer aided design are the most commonly referred as a CAD is used to generate virtual 2D and 3D model. 2D CAD design are generally for technical architecture, while 3D model are typically ideal used for digital applications such as animation or for manufacturing prototyping process like 3D printer. The second stage of our process is purchasing of raw material. Purchasing of raw material like nut and bolts, metal sets, mechanical component, and last one is electronics component. So now as we purchase the raw material, the third process of making the raw material to bring the final process for the printers. Assembling of raw material. Now we will carry forward for the process of assembling. As we all know, we have 7 and 8 kind of printer which manufacture in our organization. Now the fourth process is to assemble all the raw material into finished product. So the fifth and the final but not the least 3D printer testing. 3D printer test is exactly what it says. It is overhang, bridges, stringing, extrusion, temperature, belt tension. This model tests them all. If you want to test your 3D printer on multiple layers, be sure to try this torture test. After printing, you can find a fix by reading the included troubleshooting guide. The final and the best part of our process of production is dispatching. Now dispatching of printers as setting production activities in motion through the release of orders, work order and instruction in accordance with the previously planned time schedules and routing. Dispatching also provides a means for comparing actual progress with planned production progress. Thank you very much for watching this video.